Earlier we used to call it advanced to master, but it's okay. Advanced, like if we are learning mainly React router and Redux in it. Okay. So yesterday we learned React router version 5, but as I told that version 6 have also come. Although most people will use version 5, but we're going to use version 6 of today because that has just recently released. Okay. So let me also see that whether I'm live. Hello all. Let me also first open it in the. Okay, I think I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. Okay, so hope I'm sounding okay. Hope I'm sounding okay today. Please, I think I'm sounding okay because today I am using this thing. Okay, I'm back to my main thing. Okay, so yesterday there were some sound problems were there. Okay, so let me also see one more thing, like audio is okay, okay. Output is sorry. Okay, so yeah, I'm good. So let's me share my screen and yeah. So what I did, I just created a React Router new project from for React. So I created this with the React Router version 6. And now let me go to this folder, router, and then do a code dot and 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 as always attendance will be given towards the end. Wait a sec. Okay, so we have this, and, and then 1 second. 1 second. So this project is been shown. So let's get started with React Router version 5. So version 6, version 6, not version 5, version 6. So we will first install this version 6. Should not have started it. So I'll install C React Router DOM at 6. Even if I don't give at the rate 6, it will install at the rate 6 only because that is the latest React Router. And there is a bit of different way in which we use this thing, like version 6 use in a different way. Okay, so after this, what I'm going to do, and okay, so that is there. Now in the src will come and let me remove some of the things which is actually not required. Require setup and record vital logo app test. Remove these things. Okay, so delete this thing, move to recycle bin. Then index.js I never like this step mode because it messes up with the console. So I will say remove this also. Maybe I will increase the font size so it is visible in the mobile view also. Okay, so that is done, and then save it, and then the app.js I will go the app.js, and I will go, and here Okay, let me save this thing. Logo also save it, and let me create a new components folder. And in this components, I will one more thing here. Let's not, it will give me error. So report item is not there anymore. Remove it. So that is there, and after this, okay. In the components, I will have a new home.js, and it is RAFCE. So home, edit home, and here let me put the home here. Like this, I'll save it. Okay, I have not done the npm start. After installing the React Router version 6, okay, npm start I will do, and let me also see that if the React Router version 6 is installed or not. Version 6 is installed perfectly. Okay, so that is there, and let it start. Good evening, Kazi. Good evening. Okay, so this home is showing perfectly, and this is working. Okay, so one more thing. Okay. So one more thing which we are going to do here before moving to this React Router, and this one maybe I will in this app.js. Okay, after this will come back, but it's a small project, but then also I want to use Bootstrap in this project. So in the index.html, what I'm going to do in this, I will give link for Bootstrap, and this is how you use Bootstrap in a project. Okay, so I will go here and delete it, copy it, and this. Okay, so I use the Bootstrap here. So when you use a Bootstrap, see, this is also changed a bit. So Bootstrap, I'm using version 5. So you can use any version. So Bootstrap version 5 I'm using. So now what we are going to do, we are going to, since we have implemented router in this project, so we are going to use React Router version 6. But React Router version 6 is used in a different way. Okay, so the terms are totally different that we have in the, there is no switch and all those things are not there. So I will come here first and do import browser router as router, routes, route from React router down, React router down. Then here I'll do a wrap everything in the router. So just like which you have in a version 5. But here the difference is, and so see, we have routes and route. We don't have switch and all those things here. Okay. So I will come here and do a routes here like this, and uh, now how to show this home part. There we have components and different things. Okay. So here we have to use this inside this routes instead of the switch. We have this routes. So a lot of things changed in the version 6 and version 5. Okay. So route we need to have again the path I'm going to have, and then this, and then there is a thing instead of component we have something known as element equal to like this I have, and then home. So like this home component we have to give like this. Okay, home component we have to give like this. I will save it now. Let me see whether I have an issue. No, we don't have any issues. Okay, and it is been home is been shown perfectly. Okay, so that is there. Now this is how the routes are done. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a file like courses here. this component, I will create a courses dot courses.js, and then RAFCE, then div class name equal to container. So this courses are created, and then this class name is container, and then here I will have h1, and it will be my courses, and then go and do a ul dot list group. So these are all bootstrap classes. Okay, these are all bootstrap classes. List group, and then ally dot list group item. Okay, so list group item html css java script react.js and Angular. Like this, and this courses. Then in the app.js, I'll go in this app.js. I will create a route path equal to apps and element equal to okay. So apps is there, and I will have another which is the COURSC. So courses is there. So courses will be like normal, like it will have this COURSCS courses. This it will have, and this element will have something different here. This element will have a navigate, navigate, and again this navigate is from React router DOM replace to equal to slash courses like this. So and now what will be there? Now let me go here and do a slash COURSCS courses. And it is taking to here. And other thing, what is this navigate? So this is like if I use this navigate, I can replace slash apps will go to this. This is kind of a redirection. Okay, so I do a slash apps apps. It will also redirect to courses. So this is there. Now we will create what we are going to create. We are going to create two new components. Will be shown inside the courses component. Inside this courses component. So the first component will be called all SCS courses dot js, all courses dot js, and then it will be RAFCE, all courses, and then here I'll have this div with, maybe I'll copy this thing. The my courses, it will be all courses, and list group margin bottom 2 I will have, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular. These things are there like this, and then the I'll have one more thing which is bundle dot js, and this is again RAFCE. So that is there, and then container and h2 equal to 2 bundles, and maybe I will have like this only. Maybe I will change it a bit. So I have the item and all. I just need two things here. Okay. So I need a web development and mobile development. Mobile development. Okay. So these two things I'll have. And then what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back to the app.js app.js file. And anyways, I'm not using this app.cs. I'll remove it. App.js file. I'll go and here in this inside this courses. So inside this courses, see what I'm going to do. And this is something which is available only in the version 6. Okay, so I am doing like this. Okay, routes I'm opening it. Then I'll do a route path equal to all COURSES and element equal to all courses like this. VU and PLES bundles. And this will be VU and PLES bundles. Okay, so these two things I've done. And now one more thing we are going to do. So I'm going to show what are this in the courses. I'll go. So this courses is the main one. Okay, inside this all courses and bundles. In the courses I'll go, and courses was actually showing something wrong and all. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this thing. Okay, URL I'll remove, and I will have a e dot lead. So and again a bootstrap thing. These are the details about all of our courses and bundles. Like this, I'll have a P. Then bundles. Okay, then I'll have a link tag again from React.com link tag, and yeah, it will be course RSS courses, and then the other thing which I'll have is a class name equal to EPN primary and K2. So and there should be a 2 also here. 2 equal to slash courses slash all courses. Okay, so slash courses slash all courses is this thing. This is actually a sub your sub route, which is so easy to create when we use like this version 6. Okay, so sub route slash courses and slash all courses are given. Okay, and the other thing which I'm going to do is BTN maybe it is BAN courses and BU and BLES bundles, and this is BLES bundles. Okay, so bundles okay, and we'll have one more thing here, which is known as outlet. Outlet is again something with React Auto version 6. What is this outlet? Outlet is something when you play have this outlet, what will happen? It will be shown here only. It will not change the thing. Okay, so I will show this thing. Okay, let me go here. Okay, so see this app, and the app I have this. I'm gone to this slash courses. And the courses I am seeing this 2 buttons. Okay, 2 buttons I'm seeing, right? And then this will take me to slash courses. This will take me to slash bundle. If I click on it, so it is showing here only, and this is done. But the figure out, this is been done because I have used this outlet thing, or else it would have taken me to the other page. Okay, so let me also do, let me see one thing. Save it. Process. So it will not. Okay, some issues. It will work like that only. So courses like this and bundles like this. Courses and bundles like this. Okay. So like this, you can show it here with this outlet. So now one more thing I want to do. So today we are going to have a small class. So because Wednesday there is no class, so we have on Thursdays and Friday. Thursday and Friday we are going to cover Redux. Okay, Redux we are going to cover, and I will do day to attendance like this. Day to attendance will be there, and so please fill it. Now we're going to go forward, and so these two things are done. Okay, so now we will add the logic to click on any course and show a detail of the course. Like this, any course I will click and it will show the detail of it. The wildcard thing which we have seen earlier, okay, in the React Router version 5 also. So this app.js, I'll go, and here in this all courses, okay, in this all courses, what I'm going to do again, I'm going to do this. Okay, this is something which is like in the uh, uh, version 6 on it, so we can do this thing. And then I will again have a route, but to write it again. Okay. So like this, I have a route. So this route will be called so ID. Okay. So and see, it's a wild out I'm using. So slash courses slash all courses slash ID. ID is a wild out, which can be anything. Okay. So one more thing I have to create here, which is like a single post dot s and RAFC. So like this, save it, and then I will have it here. There's a single course, single course. I'm going to have save it. Now in the all courses we will go, and here I'm going to create an array. Okay, so we are using it like this again and again. So instead of this, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a const course list equal to an array of this HTML CSS JavaScript ReactJS Angular. Okay, like this I do, and okay. So this is done. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this all. So this hard coded thing, and then as we do in React, course list dot map course like this and do, and this I do, and then I have a nav link like this, nav link, then e equal to course and 2 equal to this, and then sets all courses, then dollar course, okay, dollar course, which is now coming from here, okay, and then after that, okay, so we will again have those things here. So nav link is a clickable link, okay, it is on again from React Router. It is like a link, nav link, so it keep track of what like whatever you click, it keep tracks of that. So we have a class name equal to list group item and list group item action, like this, and then I will have a alive dot list group item, and then post, so like this I'll have, then save it, and again I will have this outlet here. So because I don't want to go into something else, so again I'll have this outlet here. So I want this to be open here only, so I'll go here, and okay, so we have not created the single course, so the single course we'll go and see it is going to this slash single course when we are and we have a route for that also. When we click there, so it will go to the single course. If I come here, so see this now, this clickable thing is there. If I click here, it is like should go into this HTML, into this okay, single course is also been shown. See, so it is going there and the single course component is being shown, so it is working fine. The only thing is that the single course component we have to update it. Okay, how do we update it? First we'll again use the familiar thing of use params. So I'll do a const id equal to use params this, then if with class name equal to card and div dot card body and h5 dot card title course name and b dot card text, and this id I will just print. So this id is what will come at the top. So this id I'm just printing it. Okay, so now what will happen? Course name and id. So if I go back here, see course name Angular, course name HTML, course name this. Okay, because I'm taking params this only. Okay, so course name React, course name Angular. So it is going fine. Okay, so now we will add the logic to pass data from a component to another component. Okay, so we'll do that thing. So here I'll go and in this a single thing, we are going to add a const navigate equal to use navigate, like this. I'm going to have use navigate. It's again from react.com, and here after this id, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to have a anchor tag will contain href. It will not contain href actually, so href it will not contain, just anchor tag. I will have a more info it will be, and here I'll have a on click and equal to navigate. So this navigate, see this navigate, we calculated navigate, and then slash dashboard. So dashboard is there, and then after that state and id Okay, state and ID is there, and we'll have a class equal to card card link, and more info. Okay, and then I will also have a link tag, not this link tag, but capital link from React DOM. It will be test course and test course, and then here in this link will be having a two equal to dash board state equal to React JS testing and class equal to card link, like this, and like this I have. Let's save it. So okay, so one more thing is like this dashboard also need to be created. Okay, so where is this dashboard? Okay, we'll come here and do in this component dashboard dot s rafce, save it, and after just I need a route also here. Okay, so in that JS I will go after this bundles and all these routes, like this route will be a route path equal to slash dashboard and element equal to bash. Element is dashboard. Okay, so element is dashboard. Save it. Now, so this dashboard component we will create, and here getting proper device. Okay, but so I got a new mic so today, so maybe like I have to see that thing. Okay, so that is good. You're getting proper voice. At least the voice is not breaking, so that is good thing. Okay, so we already just saw this thing. Okay, I'll check that thing why we're getting this Robert voice and all. Okay, so I will go a const location equal to use location. Okay, so this use location is again another hook there. Okay, so again from React now React has a lot of hooks. Okay, so div class name equal to card and div dot card dash body and div dot card title and location dot state. So there it will be a h type and e dot card text long from the industry in live one sessions. I put it. Now this use location and location dot state. Okay. So now we will go back here and see more info and test info is coming. So this more info is coming from this anchor tag, which will take us to this dashboard, and this link is also there. Okay, so more info I'll click. It is taking me to the dashboard and it is passing the Angular, and test course is how we're showing it. Okay, so both of them are taking to the dashboard, but why I have created two things I have created so to show that there are two ways to do the same thing. Okay, I have to if you use an anchor tag, you have to use the navigate, and then you have to pass the state as ID, and or else you can use the link tag and you can pass something like a state here, and then we can get it. To get it, we have to use the location dot state. But there is a difference here. Okay, so more info if I do, I'm getting this Angular. Okay, and but if test course I'll do, I'll always get this React.js testing, which I'm passing it like this, React.js testing. Okay, so like this, it is there. Now everything is done. The only thing is that my home page is now not fixed completely, because everything starts with the home page. So if you see again, so if I delete everything, if I go to the home page, which is this thing, so it is like this. Okay, let us fix it a bit so that we can go somewhere. We can go to the slash courses, which is the main thing. So I will come here and do div dot container, and link is React router, and all courses class name is equal to btn primary, and who will be equal to courses. So, yeah. Now we have this home page also. So home page is nice. All courses, I'll go to all courses. Then I can go to this bundles. It's showing this bundle courses. I'll do courses will show this thing, and then I go to this HTML. It will show me these two things: CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular. If I click on this, it will show me this thing. The main thing is how Angular gets passed, and here the main thing is how this React testing is getting passed with a while route thing. Okay, so that is there, and as I told, we will going to have a class today, because I was going to complete the React router only, and so we have completed the React router, and tomorrow we are going to do the Redux. We're going to start, not tomorrow, Wednesday generally we don't have class, so we're going to have the Redux. Okay, so Redux on Thursdays and Fridays. Okay, so